In the age of the internet, where immediacy and convenience trumps everything, dentistry has barely evolved over the past years. Until now. Hi, I'm Julian and I'm the CEO and founder of Zenyum. So dentistry, especially orthodontics, has been a very traditional industry. And for good reason. After all, you change people's appearance. So there only has been a handful of technological innovations over the centuries. Recently, with the advent of scanning and 3D printing technology, things are changing fast. These two technologies have the potential to disrupt the industry and have given rise to a product called clear aligners. Clear aligners are a more convenient and aesthetically pleasing alternative to traditional braces. That is why we created Zenyum. We want to provide clear aligners to the rising Asian middle class at an affordable price. Zenyum has seen amazing growth over the past month, and one of the essential partners to facilitate that is a fellow firm from Singapore called Structo. They specialize in 3D printers in the dental space. We really benefit from their vast experience in the area, especially around clear aligners. Because from the get-go, we knew we needed to optimize our manufacturing cost as much as possible to create a solution that's affordable to Asia's middle class. Structo helps us to achieve this with flexibility and scale. That allows us to pass on the savings to our customers, making clear aligners more accessible to a wider demographic. The Zenyum process starts with a digital smile assessment, where our certified doctors are taking a look at your teeth. We receive those files, and based on that, we create a treatment plan. We send the treatment plan to the doctor for approval and to the customer so they can see how their smile will turn out. Once the case is approved, we will use the digital files to then print the aligners. This is where Structo comes in. Structo's high throughput printers allow us to print an entire case in nearly under an hour. And we can offer a solution that's 70% more affordable than other alternatives out there in the market. Structo's automation and ecosystem has helped us to create the scalability that is required to expand into 5 markets and treat thousands of cases within a short time frame. Once the models are printed, we thermoform them, trim them and file them, and then we send them to the doctor and the patient. Usual treatment then takes between 3 to 9 months, depending on each individual case. Asia's middle class is rising, and for us this is one of the most dynamic regions in the world. More than 100,000 people come online for the first time every day. They might not have been able to afford traditional braces when they were teenagers, but now, when they're in their first or second job, they're looking for an affordable and convenient way to straighten their teeth. This is where Zenyum comes in. We want to provide affordable, invisible braces across Southeast Asia. And where together with Structo, we really make Asia smile more.